I just want to finish here. Alright, we have Dominic and Lena all the way from Austria. A little warmer here than what they, I'm sure, are used to. Happy days. Heading up north. We're doing a St Lucia trip this morning, and hopefully we get some fish. Took a while, but Dominic's now on. Hopefully he's not stuck in the rocks. It was coming. Yeah, sometimes these trips of mine are an absolute adventure. Puzzling through the rocks here. Yeah, fat bike fishing is about the places it takes you to.
Is er nog droit?
Sideways. Fall down
One cave base. Nice. Alright, Dominic, tell me, a little more different fishing in Africa than in... Oh yeah?
Beautiful. 3 fish.
3 fish, yeah?
All good.
How long have you been in South Africa?
1 month.
Okay, how many fish you caught?
3.
Classical answer. Yes. Shot, lekker. Okay, let's go home.